it's Tiffany with the Bloomery, and I'm at my mom's house today, and I want to show you her big beautiful ferns that she grows every year. She says the trick to having big beautiful healthy ferns is just watering them every day till it runs out the bottom of the pot. As far as fertilizing, she uses 1 scoop of Miracle Grow, mixes it into this watering can, and does that every 2 to 3 weeks. And her ferns are always the biggest, prettiest, healthiest ferns that I have ever seen. So I always like to show them to everyone. And her pot is big. She doesn't leave it in the little nursery pot that we grow them in, which it's okay if you do, because that's what I do with mine. But she always puts hers into a bigger pot, so she's got a really nice pot, and it actually has a water reservoir in the bottom with wicks, so that the fern isn't ever completely drying out. And she believes that that is definitely a game changer in her ferns. Another thing that she noticed is this year she used the Bar Harbor blend by Coast of Maine to pot her ferns in, and she has definitely seen positive results from that. And my stepdad and my mom both have said that the soil that they use from the Coast of Maine has made their plants healthier and bigger and grow better than any they've ever had in years past, and they've been growing stuff a really long time. So check out these huge Boston ferns, and I'm going to show you her Kimberly Queen ferns too.